Good morning, students of class 9th. So, as in economics, we were doing the third chapter, that is basic concepts of economics. Okay, basically. So, let's continue the chapter. First is money. What is money? Money which is generally accepted by everyone. That is money. Okay. Anything which is widely accepted as exchange for goods after settling debts is called money. Means if you are exchanging your goods or services with that thing, okay, मान लो आपको कोई चीज़ परचेज करनी है, then you are paying money and it is accepted by the shopkeeper and then you are getting the particular goods or services, right? So this is money which is generally accepted by everyone. Okay, after settling debts is called money. With that money we try to settle our debts, हमने किसी से उधार लिए or something like that. Okay, so in all the aspects of our life we use money. Okay, you will learn more about money in class 10th. Okay, so this much is enough for class 9. Generally first feature, and it can be in any form, that is your currency notes, coins, demand draft, in any form. Okay, all these are considered as a money. Okay, now what are the features? Basically two features are given in your book, that is your generally acceptability and second is liquid assets, right? Generally acceptability means I explained to you that which can be accepted by everyone, that is general acceptability. And second is liquid asset. Liquid asset means which can be easily converted into anything, in any wealth. For example, if you have one building, okay, building is there, you want money or you want to do something, okay, तो क्या तुम उस बिल्डिंग को तुरंत एक्सचेंज करोगे? अगर मान लो ट्रीटमेंट के लिए हमें जाना है तो हम क्या ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि बिल्डिंग लगाओ हमारा ट्रीटमेंट कर दो? नो, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. But money, with money it can be easily converted. Money है, you can go for treatment, you can convert this money into wealth also, you can purchase building, land. इस money से हम किसी भी wealth को purchase भी कर सकते हैं. So it is liquid which can be converted. बहुत आसानी से convert किया जा सकता है. So that is liquid asset. So this is all money. Next is income. What is income? We know that the income plays a very important role. Okay, income, it is a we know that how everyone is earning money, सभी को money earn करनी है. So the money which they are earning, that is considered as income, right? So income is money that an individual business receives, usually in exchange for providing goods or services or through investing capitals. Means income is money that an individual receives, चाहे वो individual receive कर रहा है, चाहे तो business receive कर रहा है. Okay, usually in exchange for providing goods or services. Either business है, अगर business कैसे income generate करेगा, income earn करेगा, अगर वो अपने goods को customers तक पहुंचाएगा तो उसके बदले में उसको जो money मिलेगी that will considered as income. तो income उसको consider किया जाता है जब हम कोई goods या services किसी को देते हैं और उसके बदले में जो हम money receive करते हैं, that is considered as income, right? Now goods and services, for example, if I am teaching you, I am providing you service, मैं आपको service दे रही हूँ and in return I will receive the salary, so that is my income. Okay, next is goods and services through investing capital. Second thing is investing capital. What does it mean? For example, if an entrepreneur is there and if he is investing money, अगर मान लो उसने कोई फैक्ट्री सेटअप किया या कहीं पैसे लगाए, उसने मशीनरीज खरीदी, उसने कैपिटल को लगाया, फिर बाद में क्या होगा? प्रोडक्शन होगा, और प्रोडक्शन होने के बाद जो प्रोडक्ट निकलेगा दैट विल बी गिवन टू द मार्केट और उसके बदले. सो इन दिस वे, इन कैपिटल को इन्वेस्ट किया और उसके बदले में उसको रिटर्न मिलती है, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज इनकम. हमने लैंड परचेज किया, उस लैंड पे हम कुछ एग्रीकल्चर या कुछ क्रॉप्स ग्रो कर रहे हैं, उसके बदले में सो रेंट, लैंड पे रेंट मिल रहा है. ओके, फिर और समथिंग, इफ अगर मान लो आपके पास कोई बिल्डिंग है, आपने कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट करके बिल्डिंग खड़ा किया, सो उससे क्या, बिल्डिंग में फिर आपने उसको किसी इंस्टीट्यूट को चलाने के लिए लगा दिया या किसी एज अ लोगों को रहने के लिए प्रोवाइड कर दिया, सो इन रिटर्न यू विल गेट समथिंग एज अ रेंट. सो दैट इज योर income, okay, for a businessman. So income is money that an individual business receives, usually in exchange for providing goods or services. Okay, it can be in any form, that is your wages, salary, anything. Okay, next is your production. Production is a very important aspect for any business. Okay, for any economy. अभी क्या हुआ है इस पेंडेमिक में, सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्ट क्या हुआ है, प्रोडक्शन. ओके, अगर ये रुक गया so everything is stopped. If production is stopped, then everything is stopped. So क्या होता है, production is a very important activity for an economy. It is a very important activity, right? Any activity which results in creation of goods and services, which have the capacity to satisfy human wants is termed as production. Means any activities, all those activities which results in creation of goods and services, जो गुड्स और सर्विसेज को क्रिएट करने में हेल्प कर रही हैं. ओके, एंड दे आर सेटिस्फाइंग द ह्यूमन वांट्स. और उसके क्रिएट होने से, उस गुड्स और सर्विसेज के क्रिएट होने से, इफ द ह्यूमन और द इंडिविजुअल्स आर गेटिंग सेटिस्फैक्शन, अगर उनको सेटिस्फैक्शन मिल रहा है, देन दैट इज टर्म्ड एज प्रोडक्शन. ओके, नाउ प्रोडक्शन इज अ प्रोसेस. प्रोडक्शन क्या है? इट इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच some materials are transformed from one form to another. Production क्या है? It is a process. एक process है in which transformation of goods and services are done. उसमें क्या होता है? For example, कोई भी product हम as a raw तो use नहीं करते, right? That raw is converted into some final product or finished product. Okay, and then we are using that particular product. So transforming होता है, transform हो रहा है. Okay. मान लो फॉरेस्ट से हम वुड लेके आए, वुड को कन्वर्ट किया फर्नीचर्स में, एंड देन वी आर यूजिंग दैट फर्नीचर, वी आर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग दैट प्रोडक्ट. ओके, वुड से फर्नीचर. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोडक्शन मीन्स क्रिएशन ऑफ यूटिलिटी. मीन्स यूटिलिटी, satisfying capacity of product, satisfying power of a commodity. So that is utility. So production means creation of utility. Okay, so this is all about the some money, income and production. Now market. Okay, market क्या है? क्या आया दिमाग में मार्केट सुनते ही? Yes, I hope शायद तुम लोगों के दिमाग में आया होगा कि द प्लेस वेयर यू गो फॉर शॉपिंग, दैट इज मार्केट. यस, इट्स ट्रू, बट इकोनॉमिक्स includes, economics is the market means, market includes a wider, in a wider sense. Market सिर्फ वही एक जगह नहीं है, it includes a wider sense. Let's see what is that. Market is a system. It's a system by which the buyers and the sellers, buyers who purchase, okay, who buys the product, buyers and sellers establish a contact with each other directly or indirectly for purchasing and selling of the commodity. Okay, so basically market, it is a system. Okay, system by which buyers who buys the product and the seller who sells the product, they come into contact with each other either directly or indirectly. Doesn't mean that अगर आप शॉप पे जा रहे हो किसी मार्केट में, तो दैट विल कंसिडर्ड एज अ मार्केट, बट नो, इन इकोनॉमिक्स इट कैन बी थ्रू ईमेल, इट कैन बी ऑनलाइन, ओके, एनीवे, आइदर डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज मार्केट. ओके, सो हियर basically the buyers and the seller, they establishes a relationship, with each others, that is market. So it is a system, clear? Now here the seller and the consumer, they establish a relationship, and this relationship is known as social relationship. Okay, and this relationship creates the market. This relationship is very important for this, because this relationship creates market. Okay, according to economics. Okay, so this is market. Okay, now next, there are three points are given about the market, that it does not refers to particular place, but the entire area in which the buyers and the sellers of a commodity are spread over. जहाँ पे भी all over the world is market. So जहाँ पे भी किसी particular product के sellers और buyers हैं, that is considered as market. It can be America, China, Russia, France, anywhere. All will be considered as market. Okay. There must be buyers and seller for a commodity. There must be buyers and seller of that particular commodity, and the last, buyers and seller of a commodity must establish a contact. They should establish a contact. Okay, clear? Now, factors of production. Now, I hope that this market is clear to you. Okay, it's very easy. Next is factors of production. Factors of production means anything that helps in the process of production of a commodity or service is called factors of production. Means whatever it is, anything which helps in the production, okay, of किसी product के production में या किसी भी चीज़ सर्विसेज के प्रोडक्शन में जो भी चीज़ें बेसिकली जो भी चीज़ें हमें हेल्प करती हैं, दैट इज़ कंसीडर्ड एज फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. ओके, जैसे मान लो हमें लैंड चाहिए तो लैंड हमारे लिए फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन में इंक्लूड हो जाएगा. रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए, दैट विल ऑल्सो बी इंक्लूडेड एज फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. सो ऑल दीज आर कंसीडर्ड एज फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. ओके, नाउ basically the factors of production, there are two given in your book, that is your factor input and non-factor inputs. Factor inputs means all the permanent factors, okay, which helps in the production process. It is your land, labor, capital, organization or entrepreneur, both are used. Okay, and non-factor inputs means which are perishable, which can be destroyed easily, that is non-factor inputs. Okay, so it includes your raw materials, fuel, okay, all these types of things will be considered as non-factor input. Okay, so this is factors of production which helps in the production process, that is known as factors of production. Factor input means which are these factors of production is classified into two, that is factor input and non-factor input. So factor inputs are permanent in nature and non-factor inputs are perishable in nature. Permanent includes your land, labor, capital, organization or entrepreneur, both words are correct, and perishable raw material, fuels. Okay, so I hope that today's topic is clear to you. I just explained you money, market, then production, okay, factors of production, income. Okay, so in the next video I will try to complete the chapter. Thank you so much.